AI isn't just for tech geniuses anymore. It's a tool anyone can pick up today. Ordinary people are already earning real money with AI, and you can too. You don't need to code. You need to know what people will pay for. Think of AI as a tireless assistant that multiplies whatever skills you already have. The barrier to starting a business has never been lower than it is right now. A laptop and an internet connection is now a full creative studio. The people winning aren't the smartest. They're the ones who actually started. Every big AI income story began with one small, imperfect first step. Money flows to people who solve problems other people don't want to do. Your head start is simply beginning before the crowd catches on. There are 3 basic ways people earn with AI. Let's break them down. First, sell a service. You use AI to do work others will gladly pay for. Second, sell a product. AI helps you create things to sell over and over. Third, sell knowledge. Teach what you learn and package it as a course. Most beginners start with services because they are the fastest to land. Services turn your time into income while you build real, reusable skills. Products create income that keeps coming in even while you sleep. Knowledge scales best. One course can teach thousands of people at once. You can mix all 3 as you grow, and they reinforce each other nicely. Pick one lane to start. You can always expand once momentum builds. Freelance writing is the easiest on-ramp, blogs, emails, and social posts. Use AI to draft, but add your own voice so the writing feels human. Small businesses pay well for steady newsletter and caption writing. Translation and localization is booming as brands go global with AI help. You can rewrite one article into 10 posts for different platforms fast. Ghostwriting for busy founders is quiet, high-paying, and very AI-friendly. Resume and LinkedIn polishing helps job seekers. It's a steady niche. Creating lead magnets and ebooks positions you as an expert quickly. iVideo scripts turn boring topics into scroll-stopping little stories. Pitch clients with samples, not promises. Show the work. Don't just tell. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are where your very first clients live. Raise your rates after 5 happy clients. Confidence comes from proof. Niche down. AI writer for dentists beats I will write anything every time. Specialists earn more because they speak the client's exact language. iDesign tools let you make logos, thumbnails, and branding kits in minutes. YouTube thumbnails alone are a thriving little freelance microservice. Print on demand turns AI art into t-shirts, mugs, and posters you sell. You upload the designs, the printer ships, and you keep the profits. Etsy is full of AI-assisted planners, stickers, and digital downloads. Weddings and event invitations are a high-margin design niche to explore. Social media templates sold to creators who honestly hate designing things. Book covers and packaging are worth real money to self-published authors. Consistency matters more than perfection. Build one recognizable style. Learn one tool deeply instead of jumping between 10 different ones. Bundle your designs into packs to quietly raise the average order value. Mock-ups sell the dream. Show the art on a real product, not a blank. Protect your style so clients recognize you at a single glance. Good design is just clear thinking made visible to the eye. Short-form video is the largest free traffic source on the entire planet. AI clips long videos into punchy little shorts all by itself. Faceless channels earn ad revenue without ever showing your face. iVoiceover reads your script in a natural, calm, human-sounding tone. Stock footage plus AI editing builds a full video in an afternoon. Style ads help brands test ideas before spending big on ads. Captioning and subtitles make videos watchable with the sound turned off. Repurposing one webinar into 20 clips multiplies your total reach. Local businesses need simple promo videos and usually don't know how. Tutorials and explainers position you as the helpful, trusted expert. Consistency beats virality. Post it on a schedule, not just for likes. A small loyal audience pays far better than a huge cold one. Many businesses waste hours on repetitive tasks AI can easily handle. Build simple automations that send, sort, and reply for them automatically. Chatbots answer customer questions so the owner can finally sleep. Inbox and calendar management is a timeless, always sellable service. Data cleanup and entry is boring. It's the perfect work to automate. Leading qualification bots warm up prospects before the sales call happens. Local restaurants and salons are starved for exactly this kind of help. Offer a monthly retainer. Steady income beats one-off project scrambles. Document your process so you can hand it off later or scale it up. Virtual assistant work powered by AI is in constant, steady demand. Social media management gets easier with AI scheduling and planning tools. Reputation monitoring alerts clients to new reviews in real time. The more time you save them, the more money they will happily pay you. Become the person who removes friction from their everyday work. Digital products are the closest thing there is to money while you sleep. Prompt packs sold to creators who want results, not abstract theories. Notion templates and smart spreadsheets solve problems people repeat. Online courses turn your knowledge into a truly scalable asset. Microsoft tools solve one tiny problem and charge a monthly fee. AI-generated stock photos fill a hungry, ever-growing visual market. Newsletter sponsorships reward consistent, niche storytelling over time. Affiliate content with AI research quietly converts readers into buyers. Community memberships monetize access, not just the information itself. Bundle your products so customers buy more in a single checkout. License your AI art to brands that constantly need fresh new visuals. Products compound, old work keeps earning months and months later. Start ugly. A rough offer today beats a perfect plan next year. Spend one weekend learning one tool from end to end deeply. Make 3 free samples before you ever charge a single dollar. Price your first projects low to earn proof, then climb from there. Ask happy clients for testimonials. They become your very best ads. Reinvest your early earnings into better tools and faster workflows. Watch out for Get Rich Quick Guri selling the same recycled course. If it promises effortless millions, it is probably selling you a dream. Track your hours. Your time is the real currency you are spending. Build a simple portfolio site. Trust almost always starts with a URL. Connect with other AI earners. Momentum genuinely loves good companies. Set a tiny daily goal and protect it like a real calendar meeting. The gap between you and income is just consistent, repeated action. Open your laptop, pick one idea, and ship something this very week.